The Marine Troon, an historic luxury golf hotel, sitting right beside the acclaimed Royal Troon Golf Club in Troon, Scotland. But changes in the air for this hotel, with its recently completed upscale renovations, including new ownership and name, new richly appointed decor, 2 restaurants, the Seal and the Rabbit, for your dining appreciation, fabulous spa, fitness, and breathtaking indoor pool. The quaint, delightful town of Troon presents a seaside beach adventure not far from the Dundonald Castle and near many Scottish golf courses. So many reasons to select a stay at the Marine Troon, golfer or not. Mark and I experienced this hotel a few years ago when it was known as the Paramount Marine Hotel. Great then and even better now. Here is our video from that trip. Enjoy and watch.
There are 6 James Braid golf trails in Scotland. They are a tribute to his contribution as a champion golfer and golf course designer. This week, we are at the West Coast Trail. We start the show in Routenburn, Sam Torrance's home course, and then we work our way down to Stranraer, James Braid's last course. And our home base is one of the most famous golfing hotels in the world.
Located in the seaside town of Troon in southwest Scotland, the Paramount Marine Hotel Troon is steeped in history. Much of its renowned acclaim revolves around its former guests, famous international golfers, when they were in Troon for the 8 British Open Championships that took place there. The tradition at the hotel places names like Watson, Nicklaus, and many great golfers standing on its entrance stone steps to strike a pose for a series of photos that are on display at the hotel. And now Mark Stewart can be counted in that lineup. Watch.
I'm standing at the Paramount Marine Hotel in Troon, and lots of famous golfers have been right in the very spot that I'm standing right now. And this is a great spot to come to, and a great spot to stay when you come to Scotland and play Troon.
Paramount Marine Hotel Troon has been renovated in past years, and now you can walk into a very fresh, fashionable room or suite. All of the rooms on the seaside overlook the legendary Royal Troon Golf Club. And if you have that view, you can relax by your window and follow the golf play through the 18th hole, not to mention a more distant view of the Atlantic Ocean. The management at the Paramount Marine Hotel Troon makes sure you feel at home. You receive a warm, charming Scottish welcome.
Welcome to the Paramount Marine Hotel.
As you round its historic revolving door into an open reception. And if you look left, you see a large, colorful, traditional, and comfortable lounge, and the Arran Bar, inviting you to relax here for a while and savor a smooth, elegant Scotch whiskey. And that's an art you'll see now.
What we'll do is we'll try a couple of single malts for you just now. When you add just a tiny touch of water to it, you don't drown it and never put ice. Ice is a no-no. I know you guys like ice in your drinks, but whiskey is not chill filtered, so adding ice chill filters and kills all the flavours. Remember all those lovely smoky flavours you tasted? Now you've got some ice in it, you lose everything from it. It just fades away into insignificance.
Oh, you did. You lost it all.
Losing the whole thing.
Thank you, Tony.
You're very welcome, Mark.
Dining at the Fairways restaurant is not an option. It's a must. All of its desserts and the smell of baked bread, fresh every day, is just one reason alone to dine here. All the seats in its dining room look to the Royal Troon Golf Course. You can just immerse yourself in playing golf at no less than 20 courses that are located nearby, or watching other golfers on the Royal Troon Golf Course, and experiencing the history of golf at the hotel. You might say that the Paramount Marine Hotel Troon has golf in its blood.
for watching and subscribe to Golfing Country and our other channels, Hometowns and Heroes, along with Hotel Video Showcase, Top Restaurant Videos, and Travel News Makers.